Hello, I'm Will Bushy, the founder of Sioux Falls, and I'm here today to talk about our upcoming challenge. In this challenge, we're going to actually have the kids build their very own game of Simon Says. You remember that iconic game with the 4 buttons and the 4 colors, where you had to push the exact sequence that Simon says and follow along or you lose. So in our game, we're going to use these arcade buttons. These are just like the original arcade buttons that you might find in an arcade video game. They've got the connectors on the bottom, and inside they've got an LED so we can actually light up each of the buttons. So we're going to have the kids take these arcade buttons and we'll mount them in a box. I've got this box as an example. This is a box from candy from around Christmas time. It can be any type of a box, maybe a metal tin, or maybe they find some old interesting knick-knack box or a case or something that's just interesting that's got enough room to put an Arduino inside of it, as well as 4 arcade buttons. And then we'll have them go ahead and program it up, and we'll have them wire it up, and we'll have them find out some interesting ways to make the game Simon Says. I previously built this game show quiz system where it had 6 different buttons and paddles, and each one of them was set up so that only one could ring in at a time. So you could read a question, and then whoever buzzed in first had the first opportunity, kind of like what you would see on a game show. So I went ahead and repurposed that game a little bit in order to build my own little custom Simon Says. And as you can see, as you press each of the buttons, it goes ahead and remembers what the sequence is from before. And then if you get it wrong, it'll go ahead and light up and just go back and forth on the LED flashes. Just like with the past Sioux Falls, we really want to challenge the kids to be creative and learn interesting things as they're building their project. So we'll have all kinds of additional components laying around in case they want to integrate some of their own pieces. We'll have some extra buttons and switches if they want to have like some secret modes that they can turn the game into, or maybe they've got some other ideas of what they can build using 4 arcade push buttons and an Arduino. We really want to challenge them to think beyond what I'm laying out as an example and come up with their own creative and interesting projects. It's worked really well in the past, and we're really looking forward to seeing what they come up with these components. So if that sounds like something your kids would be interested in, I would encourage you to head over to hackSiouxFalls.com and get them signed up today. I've sold out about 1/3 of the seats already, but I do have some room if you're interested. It costs $150, and it does include everything that they're going to need. Each kid will get 4 of these arcade buttons. We'll have the Arduino, prototyping board, wires, LEDs, some other switches and sensors, pretty much anything that they would need. So head over to hackSiouxFalls.com, get signed up today, and look forward to seeing you in a few weeks.